It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following: common causes of cough in dogs and types of cough. A common worrying symptom you may notice in your dog is a new cough. Is it something to worry about? What could be causing it? Let's talk more in depth. What can cause coughing in dogs? Typically, coughing is a symptom that indicates a problem with the pet's respiratory system. This may be due to irritation of the lining of the airways, weak windpipe, infection or irritation in the lungs, or pressure in the airways. Rarely, a cough may be due to a gastrointestinal problem, so it is important to pay close attention to the type of cough your pet displays. The causes of cough can largely be classified into a few categories. 1. Infection. Infections can affect the lungs, trachea, or even the upper respiratory tract or nasal passages. This may include viral illnesses, bacterial problems such as pneumonia, fungal infections, or parasitic infections. 2. Heart disease. Some heart conditions can cause cough as a symptom. In dogs diagnosed with congestive heart failure, fluid builds up in the lung tissue, causing the pet to have a wet-sounding cough. Other things, such as an enlarged heart, can also cause pressure in the airways and cause the dog to cough. Heartworm disease can also cause coughing. 3. Tracheal collapse. As a typically genetic condition, some dogs have weaker rings supporting the trachea, cartilage defect, that can cause the airway to collapse when the dog is excited or moves air quickly. This often sounds like a honk and can range from mild to severe. 4. Foreign body. In some cases, dogs will inhale something abnormal that can trigger a coughing response. This can be something like a grass edge or a small foreign object, for example, if your dog swallowed a ball, as they can put pressure on the adjacent airways as they travel down the digestive tract. 5. Cancer. Unfortunately, in some cases, the cause of cough is due to a disease such as cancer. Many types of cancer can spread or metastasize to the lungs, causing small or even very large tumors. Cancer can also cause enlarged lymph nodes around the heart and lungs, which can also cause coughing due to compression. 6. Inflammation of the airways. Conditions such as bronchitis and asthma can be caused by chronic irritation or inflammation. What are the common types of cough? Some important traits of your dog's cough can be very helpful in determining the cause. When did the cough start? Did it appear slowly or suddenly? Does it get worse with exercise? Worse at night or when your dog sleeps? Common types of cough seen in dogs are described in more detail below. Dry cough. This may be due to underlying diseases such as bronchitis or inflammation of the airways. Other causes such as compression of the airways by large blood vessels or tumors can also occur in this way. Gagging cough, often seen with inflammation in the pharynx due to conditions such as allergies. Owners usually describe this more as a gagging than a cough. Honking cough. This can often be a first clue that the dog's windpipe may be where the cough is coming from. In diseases such as kennel cough and tracheal collapse, the dog's trachea becomes inflamed or weakened, causing a honking sound when the dog presses on its neck with a collar or when excited. Wet cough, perhaps the most concerning of the types of cough, it can indicate serious conditions such as heart disease or pneumonia. The most common things with this type of cough include the dog having low energy, decreased appetite, or the cough getting worse at night or while sleeping. When to see a veterinarian? Anytime your dog develops a new cough, it's time to seek evaluation from a veterinarian. If your dog is depressed, does not eat or drink, or does not have mucous membranes or gums that are a pretty bubblegum pink color, instead it is purple, gray or pale, your pet should be seen urgently by a veterinarian. With potential causes ranging from mildly concerning to life-threatening, taking this symptom seriously can dramatically improve your dog's recovery and outcome. It is important not to give your dog any cough medicine unless directed to do so by a veterinarian. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.